Hello YouTube, Rickadale here for another part of my series. This will be part 14 of my 20-part series. So let's just get started. Let's go starting with 2x2s, I guess. I have a 2x2, a big 2x2 made by Ishin, I think. One thing that gives me that idea is because of the purple. I have a 2x2 gold mirror blocks and a 2x2 silver mirror blocks. I have another bigger 2x2 compared to a Rubik's 2x2. It's a little bit bigger than the Rubik's, but smaller than the other one. This is a stickerless 2x2. I have a smaller Rubik's. You can see the Rubik's brand right there. 2x2, the promotional cube. I have a little bitty keychain 2x2. Another 2x2. So let's see, get these out of the way. Another 2x2, which I do not know what the NEGU stands for. A promotional 2x2 Rubik's, which is about the size of a regular standard 3x3. A smaller 2x2 unopened. Another Rubik's older version, pocket Rubik's cube, 2x2. I think that might be all my 2x2s. So let's continue with the rest. I have a 3x3x1 or 1x3x3. There's another one. Here's a big giant 3x3. Oh, here's another 2x2 Rubik's cube. Alright, let's see. Here, they have a bunch of 4x4s, but again, I'm not going to show them all, so they're all the same. So, but there's a 4x4 pedaled. Here's a 4x4 with some kind of green backing instead of black or white. There is a Rubik's Revenge, which is a 4x4. A newer version, but not. This is a 5x5. Get that out of here right now. Here, this is my tiled 4x4. Here is an Ishin 4x4. I think it's Ishin again, like I said. I don't think it tells me that is that purple sticker. Here's a different kind of Rubik's Revenge. The lettering is different from the other Rubik's Revenge. And also it has a corner sticker. Okay, let's see. I have a V-Cube 5x5 in white and one in black. What else? Let's see. Oh, this is an Ishin 5x5. A stickerless 5x5. And I have a Rubik's 5x5, but I must have left it in the other room. Oh, here it is, like I said. Yeah. Here's my Rubik's 5x5. Again, I have a bunch of these 5x5s and 3x3s and 4x4s. But, again, they're all the same, so I'm not going to have them all out. To show y'all, at least. Here is a gear 2x2. And you're supposed to be able to pop it open and move them easier. But This thing is so like butter. I just touch it and it just moves. Here is another gear pyramix. And I haven't even played with this yet. There it is. Alright. Here's let's see, pentahedron. It says Neptune. Here's a Mars pentahedron. And a Mercury pentahedron. I got 3 of the series. I didn't buy these individually. I think they all came from different lots that I won on eBay. Here's I think this is a 12-sided gear puzzle. Here is an 8-sided gear puzzle. The crazy pentahedron. The armadillo cube. Another different version of the 12-sided the dodecahedron gear cube. Well, I have this, and I do not know what that's called. And then a bandage 4x4. Pretty small. Alexander Star. Another one. I don't know what that one is. Container puzzle. Container puzzle. Okay, I'll have this one. I don't know what the name of that one is either. I forget that one. I think that would be called probably a clover cube. Here I have this 3x3 that makes it look like it's a ball inside a cube. It's just the way it's just made. And you just solve it like a 3x3. Nothing extra needs to be done. This one, I think it's called a time machine, but with no stickers. Gotta get those stickers. This one, I don't know the name of that one either. And I have that one just said other puzzle on the box. The Weed Eating. Kind of look like a roadblock maybe, I'm not sure. I have this one, just a 3x3, but it's shaped pretty cool. 3 colors though. Okay, I have my 6x6, a 7x7, which I have 2 of those. I don't have an 8x8. But I have a 9x9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I also have a 10x10. which is there. That's my 10 by 10. Guy gave me an extra set of stickers to go with it, which is good. Oh, my little guy holding a Rubik 2x2. Now, my last video, I made a comment that I have about 100 extra Rubik's Cubes 3x3s that I didn't want to show because it's just the same thing over and over. Well, somebody made a comment about, like, basically they didn't believe me. So, that's what we have back here. You can look in the back here. There I have one container. And I was wrong. I didn't have like 100 extra. I had like 300 more. There's one container. You can see the top. Yes, it is full. Completely full. There's like 200 Rubik's Cubes in that one. And then this one, I have another one that's more than halfway. I got a couple of banks in there. But, yes, I do have a lot. Just like I said, with the same thing with the 4x4s and the 5x5. I have so many extras. Maybe those I have about maybe 60, 70 extras. 4x4, 5x5s. Alright, well again, thanks for watching. I appreciate you watching the videos and leave your comments. Have a great day.